Looking at this footage that Ken has provided here, it's pretty entertaining to watch a sow with 2 cubs on the bait sites. He spent several hours in the tree taking footage of different bears. For example, here we have a nice boar that's coming in. For a first-time hunter, I would definitely recommend that they would shoot this bear. You can see his back is coming right up to the top of the ring. A good 6-foot nose-to-tail bear. And the condition of his coat and everything, I would say this bear is in prime condition. But we know that Ken is here not for just the average black bear, which this is. Ken is here to take that trophy bear of a lifetime. This big boar kept coming back, and he knew there was something in that meat barrel that he wanted to get hold of. You can see by the way he's looking up in the stand that he was aware that there was somebody or something close by. He was very alert and kept looking around. I think off camera there's probably a bear walking around. He's testing the air here to see if he can get wind of whatever it is. But, that sow and cub came back, or sow and cubs I should say, came back towards evening. And Ken got some good footage. His mother never did venture very far away from these 2 little cubs. You'll see later on in the footage here that little cub knew that his brother or sister, whatever it is inside that barrel, and was trying to figure out what's so attractive to its sibling. You can see this little guy here. They learn pretty quick how to get at those oats inside those barrels. They use their claws on their paw to pull that bait out of the barrel and just lick it up. You can see all the mosquitoes and flies around these bears. It must be pretty annoying. It's bad enough being a human with all these bugs around you. At least we can protect ourselves with a head net or something. These 2 little cubs, they're determined to get whatever's in that barrel out. Mom's trying to figure out what they're looking for, but I think those bugs are annoying her a little bit too much. Mom decided that time to get the little guy out of the barrel. You can see when she twists and turns here, it's some of the angles, you can see that she's a lactating female. Oh, finally the little guy comes out of the barrel. Now it's my turn to get in there. Something smells pretty good in there. Finally, found a little tidbit inside the barrel. In the background here, you can hear the mother chomping her jaws together. This is a signal to tell the cubs it's time to leave. But this little guy was more intent on eating its little snack.
dead bear. He's moaning. The death moan. Big Bad Bob, you there? Big Bad Bob, you there? How about you, Bob? How about you, Bob?
Go ahead, Ken.
Big bear down.
Right on. I'll be in about 2 minutes.
Awesome. Big bear down. Big bear down. Yeah.
Yeah. That's a good blood trail here.
Good blood trail. Good. Oh, that's a big old pig.
That's a nice bear.
Oh. Oh. Fucking head on him.
Try and lift that head. Holy shit. Yeah.
I can't. I can maybe lift 100 pounds.
We'll get him in there.
Holy
I
shit.
might have to cut a trail in here, but we'll get him in there. Oh, look at the paws on him. Wow.
Look at that.
Put your hand next to that. Wow. Good job, Ken. It's a nice thing about video, you can let it run and take some still shots off of it. Congratulations.
You're an awesome guy.
Wow. Yeah,
And an awesome friend.
we've been after this guy for a while. Good job. Oh, I didn't go 100 yards. I don't even think that's 100 yards from here. Well, we'll get that machine in here. See if I can get in here. We can lower my tailgate right here. I think you and I will be able to drag him in. Or try to. I can use a winch too, you know.
So you got a winch?
Yeah, I got a winch on the bike. I got a snatch block we can hook to.
But we got to get him here. Get the machine here.
Yeah, I got my chainsaw. We can whack away in here. It's with your pack, isn't it?
Yeah, it's back there.
Oh, go on the other side of the machine there. Lift his head up. Show how big that sucker is. Oh. Beauty, Ken. Beauty.
Now that's a bear. This is a black bear.
Yeah, black bear with black flies. Ken, go right behind his shoulder there, and just, you're going to quickly lift your face mask so I can get a picture of you.